Whenever I put together all of my savings from the various stores that I mentioned, I ended up saving. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you tips and tricks on how to shop at your favorite stores and save. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here though, my name is Hannah and I upload beauty videos every Monday and Friday. I would love it if you stuck around and subscribed. Also, if you give this video a thumbs up, it really helps me out and I really do personally appreciate it. If you want to see the tips and tricks that I have for you, make sure you keep on watching. The first tip that I have for you is to be on your store's mailing list, on your favorite store's mailing list rather. I know that this can get overwhelming if you're on like 20 or more notification email kind of things and you get daily emails. For the stores that you really want to know about the deals, especially this time of year, I would recommend being on the mailing list, and you can always unsubscribe later on if you want to. The first store that I'm going to show you about is Bath & Body Works. So this was a little while ago, but they actually had a deal where the single wick candles were on sale for $4.95, and I knew about that because I was subscribed to this mailing list for Bath & Body Works. The next tip that I have for you guys is to order online especially whenever you have free shipping, because I've said it multiple times and I feel like you can understand my point of view. I hate paying for shipping. I don't know about you. I mean, who likes paying for shipping? So especially whenever there is a free shipping, definitely take them up on that offer. And that is because a lot of the times, or at least I've noticed, if you order from them online, you are more likely to get, promotional coupons and that kind of thing in the mail. So that is how I combined this little fun thing. I got this for $4.95, and then I also had a coupon from Bath & Body Works that was a free gift with any purchase. So you didn't have to, spend a minimum or anything like that. And also, I'll get into that in a second. So I got this for $4.95 and I got this for free. Now full price, this is $14.50 and this is $13.50. I will put the savings on the screen because I don't feel like doing math right now, but I ended up getting both of these things for $4.95 plus, tax, obviously, which varies per state. So great savings, a great start. I don't know about you guys, but I love saving money. So that is, kind of why I want to also mention the savings. Another great promotional coupon that Bath & Body Works gives is a free gift, and you don't have to buy anything. Now I'm sure that is to get you in the store and then buy more, but I can be a what's the word I'm looking for? I'm blanking on the term, but basically once I made up my mind, I can stick to that. So I can go in the store and not buy anything. Look for that, specific. This coupon was a free body care item up to $13.50. So that is what I went into the store looking for. Another tip, don't get overwhelmed, and also don't feel like you have to spend money, because you don't. Trust me, they're making money. Don't feel bad about it. So I had a free coupon for a free gift and you didn't have to buy anything. Actually, I got this from a friend, so that can be another tip. Have friends who will give you their coupons that they don't want. Thank you for that. So this was $13.50, and I already know this savings because this was $13.50 in savings because I didn't have to spend anything. I didn't even have to pay tax. And I love the Twisted Peppermint scent from Bath & Body Works. It is my favorite scent for this time of year. It literally smells like sweet peppermint, and I love the smell of peppermint. Normally I don't like sweet scents. It's not, but I don't know. It's like I make an exception for this. I love this scent. Also, I failed to mention, this is actually mahogany balsam. I've never gotten this candle before and actually kind of forgot what scent I got because I've had this for a little while. And this smells really good. I need to remember to burn this. I think maybe around the Christmas time. I don't know. The next thing I want to mention is Rocksbox, and that is because, and that goes also back to being on mailing lists. So I get promotional emails from them, and I actually had unsubscribed from Rocksbox just because I was trying to save money. I like I love jewelry, so I love the concept of it, but I was just trying to save money. But they actually had a promotional deal, which unfortunately at the time of this, video going up, it's over, but they had a promotional deal where you got a free month plus a $10 store credit. And if you haven't heard from Rocksbox, it is a monthly subscription jewelry kind of rental. You fill out a quiz so they can kind of know what you're looking for, and also you can add items to your wish list. Then a stylist puts together 3 pieces that they think that you might like based on your profile and that kind of thing. But also what I love about it is they actually give you the option to swap out, and they give you like several items to swap out with, and that's not an extra charge or anything like that. So this month I actually swapped out 2 of my pieces and I kept 1. And also it just comes in this beautiful box. It looks really pretty. I'm wearing one of the pieces. It is this necklace. Let me open this up and take out the card so I can give you the details on this. So this necklace is from the brand Wild, and it retails for $45, but the member price is $38. So I could use that $31 credit and end up only paying $7 for this to keep this piece. I do like this necklace, but I actually like one of the items more, and that is, yes, ladies and gentlemen, Kendra Scott earrings. A lot of the times they give you a member price, which is a little bit less than the retail price, but for these, maybe it's just because it's Kendra Scott, I don't know. But there isn't a discount on these. These do retail for $55, not cheap. I hope that, I don't know, I wore it, yeah, can you kind of see them a little bit more now? They're gold, they look like this, cool. I think maybe you can kind of get the picture that way. Anyway, these are stunning. And they were already I think that they were on my wish list, like, let's be real, because I have actually rented the rose gold version of these before and I loved them, but I didn't purchase them because they aren't cheap. But since I have $31 store credit, that I think I am going to purchase these because they're just really, really pretty. And that way I can get Kendra Scott earrings for $31 off. And I don't have to pay for shipping. I can just keep them, and I am charged the remaining balance. The next piece, oh, also, like, I've obviously already opened up these items, like, let's be honest. So, but they do come in these little pouches, which is also really pretty. The next item that I got was a rose gold this is not a necklace, a rose gold bracelet. This is, wait just a second. This is from the brand Sophie Harper. The retail price for this is $50, and the member price for it is $42. This is specifically the notch slider bracelet in rose gold. I would like to be a bracelet person, but I'm just not. I think it's because, like, for whatever reason, I just don't wear watches that much. But I did want to get a bracelet to kind of like expand my comfort zone. I wore this in my holiday glam makeup tutorial, which I think is going up after this. But anyway, it is really pretty, but I don't think I'm going to purchase it just because, I don't know, it's really pretty. I just don't think that I would wear it as often as those earrings, and you know, I do still have to save money. But that is Rocksbox. I will leave the information for Rocksbox. I will leave the link to Rocksbox. Wow, that's what I'm looking for. I'll leave the link to Rocksbox down below. Also, actually, before I go on to the next item, occasionally, I don't know if they have it year round, but you can buy jewelry, like, it doesn't have to be from your set. And this ring right here, I actually bought from the Black Friday deal last year. It did used to be a little bit more rose gold, and it kind of did fade, unfortunately, but I do still think it's pretty, and also it did not turn my finger green, so that's a big plus. And this one, I love this ring. I also purchased this from Rocksbox. I can't remember what brand this is from, but this is also rose gold, and I love wearing this a lot as well. So that is what I have to show you from Rocksbox. The next thing I have to show you is I got one item from UrbanDecay.com. They had a Black Friday sale for they had 25% off and free shipping. And if there's free shipping, yes, I'm very, very likely to take you up on that offer. So I got the Urban Decay Stay Naked foundation, which, I mean, you might be thinking, like, didn't you just buy one of those? Which, yes, my friends, I did. But I got the shade 30NN. Originally, and this is 20NN because 30NN is a little too dark, just like slightly. Like, I can tell a difference, you know, from where my foundation stops if I just wear the 30NN shade. And which is kind of funny because they actually have 50 shades in this, and the Urban Decay foundation that I wore before this, the Urban Decay Naked Skin, they actually had way fewer selection, but I feel like I found a better shade range. But that is, you know, people have multiple, you know, different skin tones, so I'm not like saying anything bad about it. I just found it a little ironic, but also, I mean, maybe one of the different undertones would suit me better. I did kind of, whenever I went in store, I did sample a few different ones like on the back of my hand to compare to what I was looking for. Getting off on a tangent. All that to say, the reason I got the 20NN shade is to mix with the 30NN. That is what I did today, and I do kind of like that option better, and especially since I could save money, I definitely am glad that I picked that up. So whenever I ordered from Urban Decay online, I actually had an option to choose from a few different samples. So I chose the Vice lipstick sample, and I mean, it is only 3 shades, but the thing is, like, you could actually use this multiple times. I have used these samples before, so you can kind of, you know, try out different finishes. So you get there's a little sample of the shade Jilted, which is a cream finish. Then you get a sample of Sheer Liar, which is a sheer finish, and 714, which is a mega matte finish. First off, in this package, I actually have items that I received from Ulta. Before going on with this lip sample, I'm going to show you the items because actually one of the items was a lipstick that I have on right now. So the first thing I'll just go ahead and show you is this MAC lipstick in the shade Velvet Teddy. Okay, here's a little sad story. I had the travel size of this, and so I knew that I loved it, but I I rolled the tube up too high, and whenever I was applying it, it snapped off and it fell in between my driver's seat of my car. I was parked. Calm down, it's fine. It fell in between my driver's seat and the console. So it fell in between there, and I can't get it back. So this was actually on sale. It wasn't a huge deal. I think it was only like $3.50 off, but I mean, it's better than nothing, and I already knew that I loved the lipstick. Also, this is the full size, so it'll last me a long time. So I did pick up this. I mean, you can see this is the lipstick on my lips today, and underneath I have the Urban Decay Naked Lip Liner, but this is just what it looks like. I think it's a beautiful nude. I love this lipstick. The next thing I was really looking forward to, because around this time of year, I actually got these on Thanksgiving Day, but I purchased them online. They have great deals on mascaras because I like high-end mascaras, but I don't like paying high-end mascara prices, if you know what I'm saying. So the first thing that I got was the Tarte Maneater mascara. This was on sale for $10. I have used this before. Love that mascara, highly recommend it. The next mascara that I got was the Smashbox Superfan mascara. I actually had a trial size of this before, and so I knew I kind of wanted to buy the full size of this. I've only used this twice. So far, I feel like I don't know, like I think that it might get better like with time kind of thing, but I actually have this layered with the Monster Big mascara from Lancome, and then I did use a little bit of the CoverGirl Lash Blast mascara as well, just to kind of like, I got carried away on my right eye, so it got a little clumpy, so I was trying to fix that situation, but I think I just like applied too much, and I need to kind of use this a little bit more, but I was really excited. This is also $10. Oh, another thing that I want to mention is, even if I order it online and I know what I'm getting, if I get a package, like I cannot wait to open it. Like I know I'm gonna film a video like for a haul, for example, but like I could not, I don't know, just something about it. I just couldn't wait to open it. So let me, and like appreciate the fact that I put this mascara back in the packaging. I put this lipstick back in the packaging, even though like I'm wearing them right now. So clearly I already opened it. With the MAC lipstick, you got a free gift with purchase. And I thought that this was cute. If you wanted to give that lipstick as a gift, which I'm not, because I, you know, already used it. They had a little ornament situation. Oh, sad. Well, it's good that I'm not getting this as a gift because it actually broke. Never mind. But you could, in theory, if yours didn't break, you would put the little lipstick here, and that would just be a cute little gift, I guess. I don't know, question mark? But mine broke, so it doesn't really matter, I guess. The next thing, oh yes, how could I forget? Also, they gave you a card that has a gift card, and I think you can activate it online, so that's kind of fun if you want to give a gift card to somebody for Christmas. You already have one, and I think you can activate it online, so that makes it really nice and easy. The next thing, and actually this is the last thing that I have to show you, is I got 2 sheet masks, because I am fairly certain that they were buy one get one free, and these I definitely wanted to pick up because they're Tony Moly. They're not like super expensive sheet masks, but I prefer to pay a little bit less. I think that they're $3.75. I mean, not horrible, but that way I got 2 for $3.75, and I wanted to get the charcoal ones because charcoal is good for your skin, so I'm really excited to try these out. I am really into sheet masks, So I definitely wanted to pick up a couple while they were on sale. Now I'm going to go in and apply, actually first I'm gonna take off my lipstick. I think I'm going to go in with Sheer Liar because I haven't used one of their sheer lipsticks and I'm interested to see what that would be like. I'm going to use the Sigma E56. This is actually an eyeshadow brush, but I'm going to use this to apply my lip color because I think I can apply it better than just using my finger. It's a little bit more pink than I was planning. I mean, not mad about it. I just, from in the little tube container, looks a little bit more, especially if you were newer to lipstick, I think that this would be a really, you know, nice way to kind of gradually get into the lipstick game. But since it is a sheer finish, I don't think it would be as long wearing as like one of their comfort matte finishes, which is what I'm a little bit more familiar with using. Not saying it's a bad thing, I'm just like putting that out there that this might, did I get some on my teeth? It might not be as long lasting, but it's definitely very comfortable and I think it's a really, really pretty shade. So I would recommend it. Whenever I put together all of my savings from the various stores that I mentioned, I ended up saving this much money. I'll put the number on the screen here. I am as shocked as you are because I'm actually tallying this up after filming this footage. But yeah, just wanted to specifically mention that to you guys because you can save money and also get things that you really love for yourself or as a gift. So I would definitely recommend and encourage you to get on the mailing list, also order online whenever you can, and just really keep an eye out for those deals. I know that you can do it. If you enjoyed this video, I would recommend watching this one next. It is what to buy for the person who has everything. I wanted to be really helpful to you guys with that gift guide, so I kind of gave you also some options that I feel like you might not normally think about, so definitely check that out. Once again, if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in my next video.